what is happening to Bitcoin right now? It has literally been rallying the whole day towards the upside, and right now it has seen a slight little crash of actually 8%. So what exactly just happened? Why does Bitcoin just keeps on moving towards the upside? And our exact target has just been reached. So what is going to be the next opportunity in the market? We need to be talking about that exactly. So make sure to push up that like button, and as always, let's first of all have a look into what's that imminent short term. And what we can be seeing over here is that Coinbase actually went down, and because Coinbase went down, it showed an account balance of $0 for many users, and that is literally the reason why Bitcoin is crashing so much towards the downside right now. Now, Coinbase is saying that this is just only because of the large amounts of traffic that Coinbase is right now experiencing, and that the assets are definitely fine and safe. So yeah, in my opinion, at the one side, I do think that the market is quite overreacting with a minus 8% dump, but at the other side, do keep in mind that a lot of people are actually right now trying to be longing the Bitcoin price, and all of this leverage eventually will need to be flushed out, and that is exactly what we are seeing right now. So yeah, was this dump towards the downside really so bad as many people thought? Well, in my opinion, not really. So I do actually think that this dump is going to be getting bought up quite quickly again, because in my opinion, this dump and this news was kind of nonsense in my opinion. Now, what we can be seeing, why Bitcoin is getting pumped up so much towards the upside, this whole rally has basically been caused because of institutions. Literally, institutions have been buying up Bitcoin. Today, once again, we have seen that the volume is once again increasing a lot today. It is not because of the retail people. The average person still doesn't care. Yes, we actually did see Coinbase being down today, but regardless, we are still not seeing any search interest, not any retail interest in the market. And what we are seeing is that this whole rally has been pretty much getting initiated because of institutions buying up more and more Bitcoin. We have been getting about 500 million US dollars of buying pressure each and every single day through our Bitcoin ETF. Now, today, once again, has been a massive day for the Bitcoin ETFs. So it will be very important to actually have a look into what's the data from today. Now, that data will be getting released by tomorrow morning, and it will be very important to have a look into what's this actual data tomorrow morning, because we want to be seeing if this trend is actually continuing of institutions buying up more and more Bitcoin. Okay, because if this trend is actually going to be continuing, and actually today was once again a massive day for the spot Bitcoin ETFs, well, that is going to be indicating that most likely we are just going to be headed even higher. Okay, now if this trend is actually going to be shifting and we are going to be seeing a lower inflow, well, that means that we can be seeing some kind of a cool off for the Bitcoin price. But in my opinion, I do not think that is going to be very likely. So, well, because of that, the data that we will be getting tomorrow morning is going to be very important. So make sure to be following me on my Twitter page with that link down below, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to not miss out on this data. Now, we still need to be talking a little bit more about these institutions, because these institutions literally do not care about any technical analysis. They are just going to be buying up more Bitcoin, as many Bitcoin as possible. And what I think they are going to be doing right now is going to be that they are preparing themselves for the Bitcoin halving. The Bitcoin halving is going to be incoming in 51 days approximately. And I think that these institutions right now really have that FOMO coming in, because they want to be prepared for what is about to come. So yes, we have beautifully reached our target of this bull flag breakout that we did have a look into what's many times on this channel. We exactly reached our target right here, and after reaching that target, well, we are finding ourselves some kind of a rejection. So the Bitcoin longer term is definitely looking very good, but the question really is going to be, in the short term, what is going to be the next opportunity? Of course, we have had a look into what's this perfect Bitcoin bull flag breakout, but what is going to be the next opportunity right now in the market? And for that, I just want to be saying that I do not like to be chasing pumps like this. And also, at the opposite side, I do not like to be shorting an uptrend like this. Alright, either way, if you're going to be chasing the pump right here, or if you are going to be trying to catch the exact top, well, eventually you are going to be getting wrecked. So in my opinion, that is not going to be a very good strategy. Now, for my next Bitcoin trade, for the next opportunity for Bitcoin, well, in my opinion, what is going to be a very good strategy is going to be to wait for some kind of a consolidation pattern on that 1 hour time frame. Whenever we can be finding ourselves some kind of a symmetrical triangle, maybe bull flag pattern or falling wedge pattern. Well, anyways, at least some kind of a consolidation pattern, well, that is going to be the moment where I'm going to be interested in opening up and preparing myself for the next Bitcoin trade. Okay, so for that, you probably want to be subscribing to my YouTube channel, follow me over on Twitter to stay up to date. And with that being said, this was kind of a quick market update video because this was an emergency video, but tomorrow morning I will be uploading a larger, more detailed update video. So stay tuned for that, and guys, I'll see you tomorrow morning.